Hold it so that the notch is facing you. Insert the wand through the top like this. And once you get so that your wand is level with the notch, push it into the notch. Then push the wand through so that it goes into this hole. And now it'll be stuck here, so just kind of push it down like that. Now you'll have it in here. And what you want to do is just drag it down until you get it to this hole. And then it will just kind of fall through into this hole where you'll have sort of like a dead end looking thing. But don't worry, it's not a dead end. You're actually doing it correctly. What you want to do is use this hole in the center to help you push it down into the end hole. Now this is where it gets strange. Before I saw something weird about it, so when I yanked it out, it just came out. What you have to do is just hold it so that the dead end is facing you, and then you want to push the wand and just slide it to the right like this. Then pull it out.